Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. February 26, 2025, Wednesday, racing. Starting time ng karera, alas 5 ng hapon. Tanging race 1 lang ang 1,400 distance. Yung race 2 hanggang last race 7 ay mas maikling 1,200 meter. Race 1. At saan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Itong race 1 lagi pong negative or wala sa ating cool tips ang nananalo. Harinawa ngayon ay meron na sa tatlong cool choices natin. First choice, number 2, right or wrong. Second choice, number 1, a man's a man. Third choice, number 5, summer bell. Race 2, first choice, number 7, Don Pedro. Malamang na malamang bandera at kayang-kayang magbanderang tapos. Second choice, number 4, is pagheting pababa. Race 3, first choice, number 6, basket of gold. Second choice, number 7, ay under oath. Race 4, first choice, number 3, come back stronger. Humble observation, yung kanyang barrier run ay impressive, na maganda. Second choice, number 7, wildcat. At third choice, number 5, dugong bughaw. Race 5, first choice, number 5, Queen Margot. Sa mabilisang tingin, talaga namang makikita ang lamang. Pero mayroon tayo second choice, number 8, Quincy. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. Siya nga pala may carry over ang pentapekta, 63,194 pesos. At first choice natin, hindi pa natin mabitiwan, Louisville, number 3, or Louisville. Second choice, number 1, Grand Jackpot. Third choice, number 8, Batang after 7. Last race, race 7, race na may Super 6. First choice, number 3, Extra Addition. Humanap po ko rito ng option. Second choice, paratingan kasi ito, number 5, Isla Puting Bato. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!